We are one in prayer with our fellow devotees and fellow Catholic Christians, no? Those celebrating the feast day of Saint Catherine of Alexandria, Karkaranons, no? They are celebrating their fiesta now, and also the Cathedral of the Diocese of Dumaguete. We are one with them in our prayers today. Virtual lang sa ang ato inasal. Brothers and sisters in Christ, fear about the end time, fear about the end of the world is real. Some of us would say that this feeling of being afraid is strong. Kinsa guyway kahadlok, kinsa say wala mahadlok nato, kun dunanay makadungog na ta, nga hapit na matapos ang kalibutan. That feeling of fear is real, and I do believe you might have your own share of that kind of feeling. The feeling of fear is strong and real. And yet, the gospel today has a beautiful invitation. The Lord is inviting us not so much on fear. It is more of trying to emphasize that faith is stronger than our fears. I hope na emphasis atong pagkasulti nako, no? Grabe, di na lang kumukusog pa kay basig maguba ang sound system, no? The Lord's invitation is to have that faith stronger than fear. And maybe there are persons who would tell us, istorya koto bragyo na, istorya pader. Faith, pikat father. Mas tinuda na ini, grabe na ang hapit na gin matapos ang kalibutan. Those persons who would mock or would make fun of making our faith stronger, for me, they haven't tried. Because ang gipauna nila ang kahadlok, naguna nila pagduda, naguna nila ang something negative. Balihon ka nato. Start to have faith rather than fear. Basin na apay mabag-o. And those who are saying about the end of the world, sila di ay sayo. Brothers and sisters, we ask the kind of faith, the strong faith that Saint Catherine of Alexandria had. Ato sa unta nang makopya. And we bring that into prayer. If kita-kita lang, we doubt easily. But with God's help, with God's grace, let's have that strong faith. Faith stronger than fear.